it can affect the brain. Now, and that will lead to stroke. Basically, we have two types of stroke. We have the ischemic stroke and the hemorrhagic stroke. If your blood pressure is that high and the heart is pumping too much into the blood vessels, at some point it can cause a rupture of the blood vessels, and that can lead to hemorrhagic stroke. And hemorrhagic stroke is a very, very serious form of stroke. Most people who are diagnosed with hemorrhagic stroke die in our part of the world. It is the western part of the world that hemorrhagic stroke people can be able to survive. However, in our part of the world, being diagnosed with hemorrhagic stroke is like a death sentence. Even the heart itself can be affected. Since there's a lot of demand of the heart to be pumping, too much, at some point the heart becomes big. There is something we call hypertrophy. And most of the time, hypertrophy is as a result of something or a muscle working too much. So if the heart continue to pump that fast, or the workload on the heart is too much, this means that it's working unremarkably. It will cause hypertrophy of the heart, so the heart becomes enlarged, and indirectly can cause hypertensive heart disease. So you need to have it in mind that if you are diagnosed with hypertension and medications are being given to you, don't listen to people. If you are confused and a lot of things going through your mind, come to the hospital, go to your nearest your doctor, and ask the doctor. He will explain things to you the better. So don't ignore your antihypertensives and then listen to people. No, 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 no. Take your medications. It will go a long way to help you. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Like this video and then share this video to many people. I remain Owusu Emmanuel, a physician assistant by profession. Thank you.